Hello, and welcome to the class number 3 of Wilcom Embroidery and Digitizing. And I will be explaining the complex turning, the star and the ring. These two, I don't use them. This manual, I will tell you how this works. And use motif, I will just explain it because I don't use it because I am not a pattern worker. I just, change the pictures to the images. I mean, images to the embroidery. That's my work. So let's get started. And yeah, so we will do the I mean, I explained the how this complex fill work, right? You make a shape, okay? You can draw the holes. You can also, I think you can also do this. I don't know how this will end, but let's see. And yeah, after pressing enter, and if I press enter again, it will give me a random, not random, it will give me a 60-degree angle. So like this. I mean, so what happened here was like, I make a circle and I can go around it, and it is like this with a one angle. And if I make it and I want to draw a hole, it will give me like this, but not like from the outer side. This is bigger and this is smaller, but they both are the same shape when I draw. So again, pretty simple, right? And let's just move to the complex turning. A little bit complicated, I'd say. So after making a hole, okay, I can either make a hole inside of it, okay, or I made a hole, now I can't do the outer line, okay. So let's increase the hole a little bit because it is too small. Okay, now we have this one. Okay, now if I press enter one more time, okay, it will it will not, I mean, it will give me the angle, my bad. So I can, go from here to here, go from here. Okay, these are the angles. Now if I press enter, you can see we have the angled stitches. Okay, so again I will make a hole, and this time let's make an outer hole. Okay, now if I press enter again and enter again, okay, now I can draw the angles, but I mean, like, I also got confused sometimes because after creating an outer outline, okay, now it is completed. I can make the angles, no, not angles. I can make the holes inside of it, but okay, I can make holes of inside of it. Or I like, okay, so now I am pressing enter to escape the holes, okay. Now I have exited the holes and now I can add an angle, okay, like this, okay. And if I don't want to do the angles, I want it to randomly generate the angles, I will press enter again. Now you can see it gave me the angles by itself, but they are not very good sometimes. But as you can see here, these were the holes and the satin split it here. And yeah, this is the complex turning, and it is one of my favorite, which I can use to make a complete design. I mean, like, let's just use only complex fill to make this wings and this wing, okay. So I will press the button S to remove the stitches, and let's start from here. Complex turning is my favorite because, it is kind of all-in-one, all-rounder tool, which gives me the control over the angles, over how I want them to be generated, okay. Now I don't want to make any holes inside of it because they are not needed, right? So I will just press enter one, enter twice, and I can make the angles now, okay. But Let's just angle 1 here and angle 2 here, okay? And I will change it into tatami fill, okay? And now it is done, okay? Now again I will take the complex turning, and this time I will make this. It is kind of a little bit time taking, but just using one tool to completely draw your shape is better to use the multiple tools to complete the shape, okay? So it is done. All right, now I have to do the inner inside of it. So what I will do, I will do the hole, a big one, which will be started from there and it will be ending on this side like this, okay? So now as you can see, it has a complete hole inside of it, and we are starting from here and ending here. So I will do make the angles here, okay? Okay, never mind, I pressed enter, the hole is completed, but it is offering me to make another hole, but I don't want it, so I will press enter and skip the whole part, and now I can make the angles like this. Now as you can see, it's I made the angles, and now what I will do, I won't waste much time to make this, so I will just copy it, paste it, and move it here. Then I will change this angle, okay, the rotate left like this, and try to use it here, okay, clicking here. I mean, it is pretty big, so, but I can use this on this one, so for now, let's just ignore it and make the another one with the help of my complex turning. As this is the beginner class, I'm only explaining the tools. On the advanced courses, I will be explaining much more than this. That how to overlap, what to do, the sequence and the stuff. And yeah, just like that, everyone learns, right? One step at a time, not 10 steps. Give me a minute. Okay, and mm, sorry for that. And yeah, it is done all right. And we can give it the color again, the purple, and the topper one will be the pink. And also one thing, it is not a run, so forgot about this one. I mean, for this small shape, for these small type of shapes, just press the enter and use the random angle if you don't have any time to adjust the angle. But again, I like to adjust angle, so it is my thing. And if you don't like it, just ignore it, and it is fine sometimes. So just copy it, paste it, and rotate it like this. Move it here. Okay, it is perfect. And our butterfly is done. So yeah, this is the complex turning. I hope you like it very much, because it is one of my favorite tools, because you can leave this, all of these, and you can just only use this. Simple as that, right? You don't have to, learn everything, because they are not very, yeah, it is kind, I will explain it later how this works. So yeah, let's just move to the star thing. I mean, I don't use it, so I mean, it is too big for a star, but if I use a tatami, I don't know. So let's just make a small star of this shape. Okay. This is a star and I don't use it. I mean, who wants to use this thing, right? So again, leave it. They don't need it. And this ring thing, it is kind of my favorite thing. Some like I can say, like I can make this kind of ring like this. You don't have to, every time make you don't have to use this one. Okay, you don't have to use this, but you know you want to use it if you want to make a ugly angle sometimes. But the rings, this works on the, you know it works on its own pure circle, you can say it. Like it will be a perfect circle if you want. So that's the ring and the manual. Let's just move to the manual and mm, let's just delete everything here. Okay, and let's move here, which is the completed design. Shift plus R, we will start from here. Okay, okay, let's just say we are starting from here. Now let's just delete all of it. Never mind. We will just do it. Okay, break apart. Just delete it also. Never mind. So let's just say we are doing this. Okay, so we made this. Okay, I will do it roughly now because I don't have time for this. Okay, it is done. Now I want to make this shape. Okay, but okay, I want to do these two shape, but I don't want, let's say if I move it here, I don't want a cut between them because when the machine goes from here to here, the machine will cut the thread and start from here. Either I can click it and do the connector to the run, okay, but the run thing is, it will give us these multiple stitches, and let's say if it is a big gap, let's say one is here and one is here. Okay, it is a big gap and you don't want the machine to stitch very small, and you can't cut these threads, right? You can't cut them. So what you will do, you will just jump the connector and you can use the manual run between these two. Okay, so as you can see here, the machine will do only once, start from here, one stitch and the second stitch. So that means you can cut the thread here, cut the thread here, and take this away later on. So this will be like this and this will be like this. So that's the manual. Manual helps, like by doing some big stitches. Okay, I mean not too big because it will give you the dots, because satin can't go too big. And yeah, satin has its own limit, right? So this is the manual and this is the digitizer. So the difference is, as you can see, it is one stitch, then two stitch, but it is multiple stitches. And if I go the background to the black, so it will help you more. Like you can see, only one, two, and it has two so many stitches, but it has only one, two, three, four, five. So that's the manual, and that's it for today's class. And I hope you like it, because the last class, I mean, there will be two more classes, and I will just end the beginner course there because tool are very simple to understand. You only have to master this, okay? Master the complex turning, and you can leave the others. You just have to master one thing, and you can make anything with that. So as I saw you, as I shown you how to make a butterfly, and on the next class I will be completing this butterfly, of course, because I like to complete it. So thank you for watching again. Hope you like it, and make sure to subscribe and leave a comment if you don't understand anything. If you have any question, leave a comment, message me, and ask me anything. I will always help you out. So thank you for watching again. Bye bye.